have each other's backs. In the field, nobody wins alone. Where many old mindsets are fading fast, the new ones are coming from the unprecedented sources. Our security is not anymore just about arms and equipment. It is time, complex and irrational state and non-state actors may even pose danger to our country. Given this reality, I ask you to always remain faithful to your mission. Be a good soldier who will serve the Constitution, protect the people, secure our sovereignty, and preserve the integrity of our national territory. I urge you always, embody courage and loyalty as you pursue your noble careers in the military. Let these values be your beacon until your last stop are sung and your perpetual memory would be to see your country truly free.